Hey Aliena. Hey Ben, how's it going? Great, sorry I'm a bit late. No worries, it happens. Actually I have another meeting in 15 minutes, so can we make this short? I mean, yes, sure. Do you want to share your screen and show me the front-end progress? Yeah, sure. I think Elizabeth is pushing pretty hard these days, so let's try our best to make this work. The front end is almost ready. So, what do you think? Okay. This is your first time doing front-end work, right? I mean, I'm a software engineer, not a front-end software engineer. First of all, I think you need to increase the page margin. I mean, everything's on the Figma file I sent you, so you can always refer back to that. I did exactly what you sent me in the Figma file. Okay, then please just change what I just said. Fine, I'll take a note. Add a margin. What else? The title should be centered, not aligned to the left. The title should be centered. What else? Use the colors and fonts specified on the Figma file. Sure, I'll do that for today. And is it possible for you to send me an update by the end of the day so that I can show something to Elizabeth? I'll try. By the way, do you know James broke up with Elizabeth? James broke up with Elizabeth? Yeah, crazy, hey? But they co-founded the company. And now they're breaking up but still running the same startup? I don't know, man. Honestly, I don't see where this is going. I got an offer from Google, so I might be leaving any day. Oh, I got another meeting. Sorry, gotta go. See you. Okay. Congrats. Hey Elizabeth, how's it going? We need to redesign the entire thing. Sorry, what? We need to redesign the entire thing. Yeah, hear that, but why and what happened? Listen, never trust your boyfriend. I see where this is going. James stole the idea from me, grabbed all the files and ran away to start another company with his bros. Oh no. And he's doing exactly what I'm doing. Oh shit. Anyways, I want to win this game. And right now the best way to do it is to distinguish our brand with his brand. And he's not even going to change the design. Oh, you think he will? I know him. He loves his idea and he believes that everyone deeply actually hate consumerism and want to become a minimalist. And he doesn't even believe in investors. You know what? I think his brand will have no profit whatsoever. And I want my brand to be profitable. I want it to tackle a niche market so that it can survive the initial phase. And I want to build a thing that's so big to prove how wrong he is. Okay, so, what should I do? I'm thinking about focusing only on dresses, get rid of all the other products. We only tackle dresses. You know how girls buy so many dresses but only wear them once? Let's build an app that can help girls to rent and lend and sell and buy dresses. Just dresses. Also add AI because investors love it. And make it an NFT, I don't care, just show it somewhere in the interface because investors love it. Oh, and change that boring white thing to something crazy, like yellow, purple, pink. I don't care, you decide. Actually, let's make it pink because female market, people love it. So we are changing the brand guide and the design system. Basically everything, and just send me the design by Friday. Okay, let's double check what has to be done. I'm taking notes. Just exactly what I said before. I got another meeting, sorry. And what about the pages you asked me to design yesterday? Because I just finished those. Oh, sorry, those won't be used anymore. You know, startup. Things moves pretty fast. Okay, I gotta go. Good luck. No way. Fine. Hey friend, thank you so much for watching. I just wanna say, if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe. Also, I wanna clarify that this story is completely made up. So far, I've only worked for startups, so this dramatic thing, the life story, is inspired by my personal experience plus what I've seen when I was in the Silicon Valley. It's also my first time making this short film-ish video. Please let me know if you like it. I'm super excited to make more creative video like this, so stay tuned! See you next time!